If you're over 60 and you keep waking up at 2 a.m. staring at the ceiling. Many people after the age of 60 begin to lose their ability to sleep deeply. They have tried sleeping pills, taken melatonin, and even turned to herbal teas, yet their nights remain short, and their rest is still restless. Each morning they wake up feeling as if they never truly rested. What I'm about to share could help you sleep all the way through the night in just 3 days. You might be surprised to learn that something sitting in your kitchen right now could transform the way you sleep. It's not expensive. And yes, it's 100% natural. It's something you've probably cooked with before. Something warm, golden, a little spicy. And when you use it the right way before bed, it can calm your body, quiet your mind, and send you into the deepest, most peaceful sleep you've had in years. It's ginger. Now, I know what you might be thinking, ginger? Really? But here's the truth, for centuries, ginger has been used in traditional medicine to relax the body, ease inflammation, and improve blood flow. And all three of those things are key for better sleep, especially for seniors. Ginger is not just a spice. For centuries, it has been used as a natural remedy to warm the body. Inside ginger are compounds called gingerols and shoguls. They relax your blood vessels, improve circulation, and gently warm your body. And that warmth? It sends a powerful signal to your nervous system, it's time to rest. Today, science confirms that ginger contains compounds that reduce inflammation, stabilize heart rate, and regulate nerve activity, all working together to naturally support better sleep. And today, I'm going to show you 3 simple ways to use ginger at home before bed, ways that can start working in as little as 3 nights. Plus, at the end, I'll share important safety notes so you can do this confidently and safely. In particular, the first method can bring noticeable changes in just a few days. If getting better sleep matters to you, stick around until the end, you won't want to miss the most important part. If you are looking for a natural solution for better sleep, please subscribe to the channel and turn on notification bell right now, so that whenever I share a new method you will be the first to know. Before we dive into the 3 ways to use ginger for deeper sleep, let's take a moment to understand how this small, humble root can help your body and mind relax into a peaceful night's rest. In many Asian cultures, ginger is not only a spice that adds a warm, spicy flavor to meals. For centuries, traditional medicine has valued ginger as a safe, natural remedy that warms the body, soothes the nerves, and restores balance, creating the ideal state for sleep to come naturally. Ginger is described as having a spicy taste and a warm nature and an affinity with the lung, spleen, and stomach meridians. This means ginger helps open the flow of energy and blood, promotes healthy circulation, supports digestion, warms the stomach, reduces bloating, and clears the airways. People in the past often used ginger to relieve colds, drive away chills, reduce cough, and ease phlegm. When circulation improves and the nervous system relaxes, your body naturally drifts into deep, restorative sleep. That's why in many herbal remedies, simply adding a few slices of fresh ginger can help keep the body warm through the night, steady the heart rate, and promote restful sleep. Modern science has also confirmed these observations. A study in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that gingerol and shogul may help regulate cortisol, the body's stress hormone, supporting the natural shift into a restful state. In addition, ginger can stimulate the production of serotonin, a neurotransmitter that plays a key role in regulating the sleep and wake cycle. In this video, I'll reveal the methods from the simplest to the most powerful, counting down from number 3 to number 1. Method number 1 is the most comprehensive approach, offering a double benefit for both deep sleep and overall health. Method 3, ginger tea before bed. Let's start with the easiest, ginger tea. To make it, slice fresh ginger thinly, boil it in water for 10 minutes, strain, and sip slowly about half an hour before bed. The warmth soothes your muscles. The aroma tells your brain to slow down. And the ginger compounds start working right away to calm your body from the inside. Method 2, ginger compress. Now, if tea isn't your thing, this next one is incredibly comforting. It's called a ginger compress. Boil sliced ginger for 15 minutes, soak a towel in the ginger water, wring it out, and place it over your feet, ankles, or lower back. Why the feet? because cold feet can keep you awake without you even realizing it. A ginger compress warms them up, improves circulation, and helps your body settle into rest mode. Method 1. Warming ginger foot soak. And here's my personal favorite, the ginger foot soak. Fill a basin with warm water, add fresh ginger slices or a spoonful of powdered ginger, and let it steep for a few minutes. Then, soak your feet for 15 to 20 minutes. You'll feel the heat travel up through your legs. Your muscles loosen. Your mind drifts. Some people even find themselves nodding off right after drying their feet. It works by combining warmth, improved circulation, and calming effects on the nervous system. Over time, this method not only helps you fall asleep faster but also supports your body's natural healing processes. Many people find it becomes a relaxing nightly ritual they look forward to. It's a simple habit that can transform your nights and boost your well-being in the long run. And the best part, its benefits continue to build the longer you use it. Which one sounds best to you so far? Tea, compress, or soak? Drop it in the comments because I want to see what people are trying. Now, you don't have to do all 3 methods every night. Pick one. Try it for 3 nights in a row. Notice how you feel in the morning. You might find you're waking less, or falling back asleep faster when you do wake up. Before you start, a quick but important safety note. Ginger is natural, but it's still powerful. If you take blood thinners, diabetes medication, or have certain heart conditions, check with your doctor first. Start small to avoid stomach upset, and always test water temperature before using soaks or compresses. Seniors can have more sensitive skin. With those precautions, ginger can be a wonderful, affordable bedtime ally. Just fresh ginger, warm water, and a few quiet minutes in the evening. And here's something you might not expect. Sometimes, it's not just the ginger that helps, it's the ritual itself. Slowing down making the tea. Feeling the warmth. It tells your body, it's safe to rest now. Better sleep boosts your immune system. It sharpens your memory and focus. It balances your mood. And it lowers your risk of falls, illness, and fatigue. On the flip side, poor sleep can leave you groggy, forgetful, and more prone to health issues. That's why gentle, natural solutions like ginger are worth trying. So tonight, choose one method. Make that tea. Set up that foot soak, or warm up that compress. Give it 3 nights, and you might be amazed at the difference. If you found this helpful, hit like so YouTube knows to share it with more people who need better sleep. And if you've tried ginger for rest, let me know in the comments. I read every single one. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss it.